Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Revolut to Binance. First, open your Revolut app on your phone or computer and sign in. At the top, tap on Crypto, then select More. In the pop-up, tap Send. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Tap on You at the top right, then select Crypto Wallet. Now you'll need your Binance wallet address for that same cryptocurrency. Open your Binance app or website, find your wallet, and copy the address. Go back to Revolut, paste the wallet address, and add a label or memo if you want. Tap Continue and follow the on-screen steps to complete the transfer. Once it's done, check your Binance account to confirm the money has arrived. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Revolut to Binance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.